today I'm unboxing a JSAUX 100 watts type C cable. One cable is 10 feet and the other is 6.5 feet. Yes, I got it on Amazon for $20, and I got this type C cord because I was planning on getting a 100 watts type C charger, so I needed a cord that I could use with it. So I'm going to unbox this now and see if it works. I got the blue color. I think I ordered the red, but I'm not so sure. No, I got the right one. So wow, I have to say it's pretty chunky. It's a pretty thick cable. It's braided and it looks really decent. It says 5 amps 100 watts, says right there. Hopefully you can see that. This should be the 10-foot cable, while this should be the 6.6-foot cable. Yes, it says 5 amps 5A 100 watts. I'm just gonna do a quick comparison with the 100 watts cable that came with my NECTEC type C charger. So you can see there's not much to say. They both look pretty good. Thickness is about the same, and I bet they are of pretty decent quality, I must say. So I paid $20 for both of them, 10 foot and 6.6 foot long. This is just 6.6 foot, I guess. So I'm gonna connect them with my Legion 5 Pro using the NECTEC charger to see if they'll charge my laptop. That's connected. Type-C port, and boom, it's charging. So first one works. Side, get the other one. Yeah, there have been reports of folks who bought a pair like this and complained that one worked and the other did not work. So both of them seems to be working. That's really good. Considering the fact that I do not have a reliable return policy, so I'm always excited when products work the way they should, which saves me a lot of headache. And these cables are rated to do 100 watts power delivery. I'm going to test them out later and see if they can truly output up to 100 watts of charging to my laptop. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching another unboxing video from Quick Tech Take. Like, share and subscribe, and have a good one. Also, don't forget to look out for our upcoming videos, which is all about tech and tech talk and tech life.